Today I'm going to show you how to hide or show specific calendars in Google Calendar in just a few seconds. This is a super simple trick, but it's incredibly useful when your calendar starts getting cluttered and you only want to see the events that matter most. Whether you're managing work, personal, family, or shared calendars, this method helps you clean up your view without deleting anything. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright. Let's jump right in. Once you're in Google Calendar, look at the left-hand panel where all of your calendars are listed. You'll see a colored box or checkmark next to each calendar name. This little box controls whether that calendar's events appear in your main calendar grid. If you want to hide a calendar, all you need to do is click the colored checkmark box next to that calendar name. As soon as you click it, the box will become empty and the events from that calendar will disappear from your main view. This does not delete the calendar, and it does not remove the events permanently. It simply hides them from view so your calendar looks less crowded. This is perfect if you want to focus on one schedule at a time, like only your work calendar during the day or only your personal calendar on the weekend. Now, if you want to bring that calendar back, just click the empty box again. The colored checkmark will return, and all of those events will show back up in your main grid. It's that easy. You can repeat this for any calendar listed on the left side and toggle them on or off anytime you want. This makes it really easy to organize your schedule, reduce distractions, and customize exactly what you see in Google Calendar. If you manage multiple calendars, this is one of the fastest ways to stay organized without changing any actual events. So again, to hide a calendar, click the colored checkmark box until it becomes empty. To show it again, click the empty box to restore the checkmark. And that's it. Simple, fast, and very useful. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.